Krista Brines, and this is the advanced version of using the Ryobi chainsaw. This is my assisted pancakes. Today we're going to be cutting down what type of tree is this?
This is a birch tree.
Birch tree. And the first thing we want to do is just check for safety. Dead, we know that. What else should we check for, Pam?
I think any accessories in the tree.
Oh.
Let me get that.
I see that. A little burnt house. Okay, now that we're safe, we can move on to the next step. Now that I gotta get it tight.
Yeah.
Now that we've established where we want the face cut, I'm gonna go ahead and make the first cut. We wanna do like 80 degrees, 75. Okay, then we're gonna do the other cut.
What's the second cut called?
I don't know, it's the flat one. Looks pretty good so far, we're gonna check it. Now that we've cut the face cut, it's time to do the other cut in the back. Should be about parallel to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I can't really get in tight behind, but I'm gonna try. Let's see.
I'm gonna put my safety goggles on.
Huh. Come on, baby! Oh, God. It caught on the tree.
That's
so
awesome. That's perfect.
That's good.
Woohoo!
Good. Safety first. So there she is. And a pretty good job, right? Nice job. Safe. Safe. The Ryobi won.
For single moms.
Totally.